to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Jota, which is a beautiful Slovenian cabbage soup with a bit of ham. Right, pretty easy to do. Let's get on with it. You're going to need all of this stuff. There will be a full description and quantities and everything else right at the end of the video, so you can write that down. Okay, all right, first thing I've got a bowl, and I'm going to add in around about 375 grams of dried pinto beans. Now I was going to go just 2 cups, but with the amount left over, just put the whole packet in. You might as well. Okay, so I'm just going to put that in just like that. We're going to cover that with some cold water, and that's about it. I'm going to leave those to soak overnight. Right, simple. So this is not a quick dish, this one, especially the way we are doing it today. All right, give those a little bit of a stir, put them aside and go do something else for 24 hours. All right, next day I have got around about a 1.2 to a 1.5 kilo ham hock. I'm putting that into the oven at 180 degrees for around about 35 to 40 minutes. That's just to render out the fat. As you can see, a lot of liquid discoloration is coming out of our beans. We've strained that. That just gets all the yucky stuff off the outside of the beans from when they're being grown and picked and dried. So just make sure you rinse those off, and I'm putting that straight into a slow cooker. This is not the traditional way to make this. This is a really cool way to do this on a Sunday afternoon. I'm adding in 1 litre of chicken stock. You could use a vegetable stock if you'd like, if you want to try and keep this vegetarian-ish, but it's not going to work with the ham, of course. I'm adding in 4 to 5 potatoes that I've just given a nice little chop to. I'm also going to add in a teaspoon's worth of freshly ground black pepper, 2 cloves of garlic. That's going in 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. That is going in. As you can see, the slow cooker is not on at the moment. We're just getting all our flavor base all happening at this point. I'm doing this at around about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning, so it'll be ready for later that day. All right, so we've got all of that going, and we're going to add in about half a teaspoon's worth of paprika. If you want to use a smoked one, go for it. I do recommend that, actually. 1 onion with a very fine chop. Right, that can go straight in at this point as well, and we still haven't turned the slow cooker on. Our hock is still in the oven, and we're just rendering some of the fat out of that. Here I've got 4 rashers of nice smoky bacon. I've given that a little bit of a chop, and that is going in as well. Now on the side there, that is 500 grams worth of sauerkraut. I have just strained that. I'm not going to rinse it, but I am going to strain it because we want to control the salt level on this dish. Now the sauerkraut's going to be salty, the bacon is going to be salty, and the ham is going to be salty, so we don't need any more salt unless you really want to go bananas on that. I'm going to put the lid on and turn that onto low, get a bit of heat happening while our ham hock finishes off. Our ham hock has cooked off for about 35 to 40 minutes. As you can see on the bottom there, there's a fair bit of liquid. A lot of that is fat, and we want to try and make this one a little bit healthier than usual. Right, we're going to pick up the ham hock in whole, just like that, bone, skin, everything. That is going to go into our slow cooker, just like that, and basically all we have to do is just put the lid on and wait for things to start cooking down. Slow cooker is the best way to do this. I've cooked that off for about 4 to 5 hours, or until the meat is sort of getting ready to come off the bone. We're going to make sure we keep all our sauerkraut, all our cabbage in our soup. Right? And that meat, we can just let that cool down a little bit before we strip that meat off the bone for later on in the recipe. I'm going to keep cooking that down. As I said, I'm not doing this in a hurry, and we've stripped the meat off the bone. I've given that a little bit of a chop to nice little chunks, just like that. Put that straight back into the slow cooker, and just keep all those flavours happening. And before you know it, it's going to be time to serve. So get a nice big bowl and just serve that up as it is, just like that. And how good does that look? Nice, chunky, full of protein, full of carbs, and really inexpensive. And there you go, you've got Jota, beautiful Slovenian cabbage soup with ham or speck. Traditionally it's made with speck, but ham is a lot less expensive. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to set the notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known KP's Kingdom out there. Leave a comment. Love responding. Love reading them. And I will respond to as many as I possibly can. In the meantime, you want to learn how to make something from another European destination just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After it is amazing Jota, and I will catch you next time. Bye.